Hey, my rockin' Cardinals. So today is Monday and we're back to do our next math lesson. So last week we started learning about teen numbers, counting, drawing them, writing them, and we started learning how to count the Say 10 way. So this week we're going to continue our learning with our teen numbers. Our target today for math is I can build a Reckon-Rick to 20. Yes, now I know that you do not have Reckon-Ricks at home, but here's a few things that you might have to build your own Reckon-Rick to help you count. Pipe cleaners, string, yarn, even straws. And then maybe you could use Fruit Loops or Cheerios or even beads to make your own Reckon-Rick to count. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by practicing writing our teen numbers. Miss Naki is going to talk through my thinking on this one for you. When I look at our blocks that we have, our cubes, Miss Naki sees 10 ones. I see a 10. I see a 10 train. And then I see some more. I see 3 over here. So I'm going to put those parts together and think about what 10, 3 makes when I put those parts together. What is my whole? 10, 3. That's right. That would be the number 13. Our teen number 13. Let's go to our next one. So we have our 10. Think about how many more you see over here. How many more cubes do you see? That's right, 9. Ooh, so what does that equal? When I put my parts together, 10, 9, yes, that gives me the number 19. 10, 9, 19. Okay, let's look at our next picture. Yes, there we go. We have a 10. And think about how many more do you see? That's right, 7 more blocks. So we have 10, 7. When we put those parts together, that gives us our teen number 17. And do you see what Miss Nakian is doing here? I'm sort of drawing a number bond to show you the two parts of our teen numbers. I'm showing you in this picture that 10 and 7 come together to give us 17. Let's go to our next picture. All right, I bet you're already thinking what this number could be. We have our 10. How many more do you see? That's right, our other part is 8. 10, 8, 18. Oh, I bet you already saw your 10 because you're so smart, and I bet you already counted how many more. Yes, 5. And I know that you know that 10, 5, 15. Wow, what a great job writing your teen numbers. Let's keep going. Okay, we see our 10. We see, you got it, 2 more. 10, 2, 12. That is our teen number 12. All right, here's our 10. Yes, we see 4 more cubes. Let's put those parts together. 10, 4 gives us our whole of 14. All right, y'all did such a good job writing your teen numbers. Now we're going to use our Reckon Rick to count the math way. Miss Nakian's going to pull up my Reckon Rick, and we're going to practice counting the math way. Let's get started, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you notice we changed colors? That's right, after 5, when we count on one more, we change colors. 5, 6, we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. By changing colors, that allows you to see your two parts of 10. Your 5 and your 5 come together to make your 10. Let's keep counting the math way. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good counting the math way. Now we're going to use our Reckon Rick to count the 10 way, the say 10 way. Let's get ready to do some great counting. Let's start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to keep counting, and we're going to count our numbers the say 10 way. We have 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. Very good. Let's keep counting. 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. Very good. We have 10, 10. 2, 10 gives us, you got it, the number 20. Now we're going to move to our problem today, our application problem. Ooh, this is going to be such a fun problem. Let's read our problem together. Miss Garcia is painting her fingernails. My little girls love to do that. She has painted all the nails on her left hand except her thumb. That means not her thumb. So let's think about that. She has painted all the nails on her left hand except her thumb. Miss Nakian is going to show you that. I'm going to paint all of her fingernails except her thumb. So how many nails did Miss Garcia actually paint? That's right. She only has 4 nails painted. How many more nails does she need to paint? That's right. Did you say 6? Miss Nakian hopes that you saw that she has 5 left on this hand, and that one more, that thumb. That 5 and 1 would give us 6. Miss Garcia has 6 nails left to paint because she wants to make sure that she paints all of her fingernails. She has 10. We have to get to 10 so they're all painted. Let's think about a number sentence that we could write. Okay, so do you see your parts? Miss Garcia had 4 nails painted, but she needs to paint 6 more. So we're going to add that plus 6. 4 plus 6. You got it. Now we need our equal sign, and that is going to give us our 10. Let's read that number sentence together. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Well, you did some good thinking about that problem set and how many more we needed. So today you're going to help Miss Nakan. We're going to make another Reckon-Rick with our fingers. It's going to be so much fun. So you're going to count with me, and here we go. We're gonna count. We're gonna draw some little dots on our fingers to count and make our Reckon-Rick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Miss Nakan's going to change colors, just like our Reckon-Rick. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 at the top, just like the top part of our Reckon-Rick. Miss Nakan's going to put a big circle around this, and we're going to leave that 10. Now at the bottom, we're going to show our teen numbers. So if we wanted to show the number 11, think about that. If we wanted to show the number 11, what would we have to do? That's right. You would have to add and draw one more to show Miss Nakan 10, 1, 11. Good thinking. Okay, what if Miss Nakan asked you to show me the number 12? That's right. You would have to color in one more because 10, 2 would give us our 12. Very good thinking. Okay, what if Miss Nakan added one more? Think about that teen number. This time I have 10, 3. Yes, very good. That would be the number what? 13. Very good. Okay, so Miss Nakan is going to give you a number, and I want you to think about what you need to do. Are you ready? I'm going to give you the teen number 15. Look at what you already have. How would you get to the number 15? Let's think about that. 10, we have 3. Oh, so smart. You're right. We would have to color in 2 more because we know that 10, 5 gives us that 15. Very good. Let's change the number. I'm going to give you a challenge. Are you ready for your challenge? Think about how you would show Miss Nakan 18. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Think about what you have. You have 10, 5. How are you going to get to 18? Oh, I'm so proud. Did you say 3 more? Because we would have to add 3 more. We have 5. That would give us 6, 7, and 8. You got it. 10, 8, 18. Very good thinking. And actually, Miss Nakan should have made these a different color, just like your Reckon-Rick. Okay, so for the next part of math, you're going to practice showing and coloring your number on your Reckon-Rick. You're going to color. So the first number is 15. Think about how you would show 15. That's right, 10, 5. So on your picture, Miss Nakan wants to see your, I'm going to try to color these in a little quicker. I would want to see that you have your picture colored. I'm going to change colors. And make sure you're coloring these in. Miss Nakan's going a little quick to save time. And then at the bottom, I would have to show my what? Right, my 5 more because 15 is 10, 5. I'm going to switch back to my red. So you have to color your Reckon-Rick and your beads